Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert letter alphabet page number in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert letter alphabet page number. Firstly, go to the window menu, enable the pages option. We can see here already enable this. Then we enable the master page and double click on the master page. Now I am select the frame text tool and draw a text frame top on the page. Then click inside the text box and go to the text menu. Click the insert option, go to the field and select page number. Then select the page number, go to the window menu and enable the section manager. Then select the drop down menu. We can see here the letter alphabet. Now I am select this. You can use the capital letter or the small letter. Now I am select capital letter, then click close. Then disable the master page and double click on the main page. Now we can see we insert the page number in letter alphabet very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.